Mastering the phrase, be on point, in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, be on point. This phrase can add flair to your English conversation, and I'm here to help you understand and use it confidently. Be on point is a phrase with its roots in ballet, where dancers stand on the tips of their toes, on pointe shoes. However, in everyday English, it means to perform flawlessly or to be extremely accurate. It's about being at the peak of your performance or precision. Now that you know what it means, let's see it in action. When you say someone is on point, you could be complimenting their work, their attention to detail, or their performance. For example, your presentation was on point. Every detail was perfect. The chef's dish was on point. The flavors were spot on. Don't confuse be on point with be on point. Though similar, on point is more commonly used and has a broader meaning, referring to something that is well executed or looks perfect. On point carries a touch of elegance and precision, perhaps due to its ballet origins. Let's practice using be on point in our daily language. Try to compliment someone's work or notice the precision in things around you. Remember, the more you use it, the more natural it will become in your vocabulary. And that's a wrap on Be On Point. I hope this video has been insightful and that you feel ready to add this phrase to your English repertoire. Keep practicing, and you'll be communicating on point in no time. Until our next lesson, keep learning and stay curious.